Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. So we learn too many things in the electrical. Now I am going for another step. So let's make one boundary for this one. So ULK, enter. So unlock, enter again, unlock. This is not lock. So I will move this one, the roof, little bit far. So let's delete this one. Okay, now REC, enter. So this is, we will consider as our boundary wall. So why I am drawing this boundary wall? Because I want to explain something which is very important. So this is little offset. Okay, more offset. Let's make hatch. Select this one and this one, enter. So this is our boundary wall for this house. So let's make a box, small box. We will call this one our entrance to home. So let's keep entrance here. Copy, CO, enter, and this one F8, entrance. Okay, so let's make entrance another here. So this boundary wall, this is the gate. I will not draw accurately the architectural way. I just want to show the concept. The main thing is electrical. So let's make this one gate, entrance gate. Okay. So I told you before, there will be a service cabinet in this area, in the boundary wall. From the service cabinet, the power will come to here. This is what I told you in the last video. So if you open, I will open the service cabinet for you again. If you can find this one in my AutoCAD electrical symbol and installation detail drawings video. You can download there. I have given the link. So here I already mentioned in the previous video the service cabinet. So this is the service cabinet. It is in this service cabinet. So we have to follow this the installation detail, installation height. So let's put this one here, somewhere here. Okay. So this one we will consider our service cabinet. Okay. Service cabinet. So the main thing, this service cabinet will get power from the government. In Qatar we called Kaharma. So their main service room will be somewhere in the road. If this one is, if say the road is like this, let's draw something road like this. So I am copying this one like this. Okay, let's move this one beside. So let's say this is the road. Their service centers somewhere here. In Asian country, you will see service center in the road, like a panel in the road. and from that panel we will receive the cable in high level in the electrical, from electrical tower. You may see like this, it will be something like this. You have seen, I hope you have seen this one like this. The tower will be, and there is a pole will be like this. And then the electrical will be run. You will be see some disc here. I am not drawing 100%, just for understanding purpose only. And then cable will run like this, the high voltage cable. And in our street we will not see like this. In our street we will see like this pole like this, and same concept like this, like a cross. You will have 2 3, and then the cable will run below here with hanging support, everything. Check in the Google, you will know. In Qatar also we have like this, but not like this. It's very less. I never see this one in Qatar, but mostly here in the high level, in the electrical tower, but it is mostly in the desert area. So one is reached the transformer, they will have service room, service, we cannot say building, like a small compound. It will have everything, HV panels and transformer, MV panel. Anyhow, some SMDB we can call also. I will tell you what is that things later. So from here the cable will become like this to the service cabinet. Then from the service cabinet it will go like this to here. So how it will come? So there will be a manhole, something like this. Mostly this one will be 600 by 600. This manhole mostly 600 by 600. Let's mention some text there. Copy this one. Okay, let's make a little bigger. So this one EMH, electrical, so EH electrical, no, MEMH, electrical manhole. Let's make 001. So what will happen, this manhole this manhole will have some duct from this panels, sorry, this service room. So maybe it can be more like this, something like that. Duct meaning it's a PVC pipe around 160 mm dia. So this is a duct, electrical duct, we call electrical duct. Duct 160 mm, shift mm dia. You can type dia like this and see. Okay. So this quantity is depend, maybe it can be more. So instead of drawing like this, I will go to my symbol and electrical. Let's take pipe from here. Control Shift C, Control V. It's big. It's small scale. This should be 160, but here we are not drawing in scale, so no problem. Let's make little more bigger. Okay. This one, there is one command, LTS, This mean line scale, so I make 0.1, so it will be now make 0.3. Okay, so we will consider this one duct. Let's make this one up to here. We will make it inside. So what is inside, how it will be, I will teach you later. This one is service room, like we can call this one substation. Actually it is substation, because substation will have transformer, HV, MV panel, too many things. So let's copy this one. So for currently I will put 4 duct here. Then 4 ducts meaning each 160, 160, 160, 160. So how much? 320, 640. So it should be minimum 800 if you have 4. Otherwise 3. So it can be covered 600 by 600. So this is electrical manhole. So there will be same manhole will come up to here. It's not necessary, it won't come same directly from the service cabinet, maybe it can become like this also. So what happened, this 3 will come again, rotate, placed somewhere here. So this one will connect to that duct, so I will delete this 2. Let's make 1 up to here. Then can be copy, because it's not the 3, it's depend how much cable you want. So each duct will have 1 cable. Okay, something like this. So it's coming here. So from here there's another duct will come up to the service cabinet, same like this. From Kaharama supply, 1 duct up to here. So this one I will copy another one, copy, so here, and this one I will rotate this one. Okay, rotate, I will get this point, R, click, RO, enter, click this point, again R, reference point, click again here, up to here, then you can extend. Actually it should be around. I will see there is available or not. If not, I have to create one. It's not here. So let's break this one. No need to break, but it should be not like this, just one small round like this. Then from here same, copy, so this is incoming, actually incoming in the right side, left side. Let's check. So it's coming from the left, so I will make this one little here, move, so it's coming, so the cable will come like this and go like this. Then another duct will go to this DB. So let's copy same, copy, click, and from here again rotate, click, reference, click this one, and somewhere here or up to here. So this one I should mirror because only here. Okay, we will make one. Double click, okay. It's already axis rotate. So this one, double click, another stretch, I think here, and drag a box, and again enter. This one we will move little bit inside because it's not visible. Okay, close. Save changes. I think it will work. Okay. Okay. So this is how it will work. So termination here it will come. So this duct will come below road level 600 mm. So let's draw a section. Let's draw a section somewhere here. So let's consider this one as a road. Okay. Then from here around 600 mm below our duct will start. So let's check, there is a symbol here. Okay, no need, we will draw ourselves. Just circle. This is our duct. So this one, DLI, from center or from top, this one will be 600 mm from road or from ground level. Let's make this one simple. So this is the concept. So what will happen, this one another one, another duct. So mostly this duct we maintain 50 mm gap, 50 mm. So let's draw another one. Okay. So when the 400 mm coming, mostly there will be a warning tape. Let's type a text, this one I will copy. So this is a warning tape. Let's make small. Warning tape. So this one mostly 400 from the ground or from the road. There will be a warning tape. Actually it should be top of the road. This one also top. So this one 400 mm. From ground or road level. There is a very important thing. If it is a ground, it's okay. If it is a road, this one should be in the concrete encasement. So let's hatch this one. Let's click this, and this, then this. So this one should be in the concrete encasement. 0.3. Okay. If it is a normal ground, no problem. But if it in case this one road, it should be in the concrete encasement. It is must. So keep it in your remember how you are drawing. So this is concrete encasement. Encasement. So this is rule in Qatar, but I don't know what about other country. Check their standard. So let's draw dark like this. So this is polyline. Click here, arc. So let's try from here, arc. Click, click, click. C, enter, enter. C, enter. I think I already closed. H. This is how we draw normally. The pipe. Actually this is solid. Mostly we draw in the red color, but it's depend on you. Okay, this is how will we look like. I hope you can read this one. So this is road. If no road, this concrete encasement no need. And when they are this concrete encasement no need, and if this no road, this will be no concrete encasement. I will draw another. I will copy this one same. Okay, now what will happen if no road is here also we use spacing. If you Google it, you will know the spacer. It's look like something. If I draw, it will take time. Okay, let's draw one. Okay, polyline, and this one offset again. Not this much big. Offset little because it will touch. BR fillet. I have to draw this one. Something like this, it will become like this, like this. And again polyline. Let's draw polyline, PL. Let's make bend this one, control. Then again something like this. Actually it will come one piece. I don't want to make more time, just I will mirror this. So let's break this one. Yes, BR. delete this one. Again here, so we'll connect here. Next fillet this one F. Okay, something like this. You can buy 3, 4, 5 pieces, and there is a different type of spacer. Okay, let's go for the learning. This one no need too much detail, and there will be a sand bedding below. They will put the sand, then they will keep the spacer, and then they will keep the pipe, and they are also directly buried, so the cable will be smaller. There will be no concrete and no spacer, nothing. They will bury the cable directly in the ground. So there is a 3 type. One, if it is in the below the road, should be concrete encasement. If no road, only ground, only you can put below ground, you can use spacer. Most of the time they will not use, but sometimes they use spacer with the sand bedding. And there is a directly buried cable. Sometimes they use sand bedding also for the cables. When it is buried, and all it's one minimum, it's go below 600 or as per site condition. This one go more down. So this is the section of here. Let's make polyline. This one. H. This one section like this. Copy. So this is this one. So whenever you make drawing, you have to check. If you are in drawing high level, you have to draw this one. So let's say there is another compound, another building. Let's mirror this one. So this is another one. So let's move this one outside. I'll delete this one for now, only one now I will keep it. So this is coming up to here. So we will make another apartment, another one. So MI. Okay. So now we have 3. So let's mirror this one. This one same. Let's draw line here. So this one same. I select. So let's mirror this one here. So let's say this is a compound and you have 6 villas or 6 house, and I did a mistake, I didn't unlock this one. ULK and ULK arch. So let's delete this all. And let's delete this all. Select this all, mirror 1. So we will mirror again this one. So there's 3, and we will make another one. Another one. So 4. So same, I will make mirror. So 4 by 4. So I need cable termination here, at the same time one here. So I will make this one mirror, and this one has to be somewhere here. Okay, so no need. So this is how it will work. So let's make another manhole. This one manhole 600 by 600. by 600. Okay, now let's delete this one. So what will happen for this one? We need another one. Same, I am copying this. Copy. Okay, another. Okay, another. Okay. So here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I need 8 ducts from here. I need 8 ducts. So this one I cannot continue, I will just make it up to here. So if I need 8 ducts, because 2 cable here, each duct will be have only 1 cable. What size of cable we will check later. So we need 1 duct here, 1 duct 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what will happen here? I need 2 layer of 8 duct by 2 layer. So I have 2, 3, 4. So 4 ducts coming from here. So here also the same. I need 4. So it will be 2 layer. The 2 layer look like, I am coming here again, another. We need concrete termination, so we don't need this one. So I will make more little bigger. Delete this hatch. So I need another one. Okay. Some people or some engineers, they call this one duct bank. Normally they call duct bank, but some they don't know. So it will be like this, 2 layers. So this one is top of, we will make 600 top of the pipe, 2 layer with concrete encasement. This if you make a section here, it will be look like that. So from here I need only 6. So here I need only 6. So what I will do, I will delete this 2. I cannot delete this 2 because this one from the below I will take, or from top I will take, the below will be continue. So still this one 4 remained. But here if you go to the another section, let's call this one, we will delete this one. This one I will make smaller. So this we will call section 1. Where is this section? Okay, this one. Move. So this is 1. Let's make number 1. This is very important, so please practice and understand. If you don't understand, see the video again and again. Section 1. Let's go to the second. So here I will cancel from 2, the section 2. Okay. So go to this one and section 2. I will remove this 2. Or I can go, it's better up. So this is still remains same. Okay. So how much this will be, the below one, DLI? This one will be 600 plus 160. How much? 760 plus 50, 810. 810. You can double click, it will be editable. So this is 810. So this is section 2. Then when it is coming here, let's connect this 4 here. Then when it is connecting here, I will lose another 4, another 2. So let's make this one up to here. Up to here. Then this one here. And this one here. Okay, I lost 2 here already. Now 4 remained. Then again I will lose 2 here. Then the remain will be 2. So this one will be connect here. Take this one here. So I hope you understand that section 3 will be remained. This is section 3. I will not have this one, I will not have this one. Then again section 4. I will lose this, I will lose this one, and I will lose this one, and this is the rest of the section. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So here I have 1, you have 2, then I will make 3, let's make 3, and there will be 4. End of the duct. So you may ask why we need this manhole. We can connect directly from here. Or you may ask why we need manhole. This is for the service. Otherwise, how can they pull the cable? So from here they will pull the cable up to manhole. From here they will pull here. Then it will go to the house. It's all for the pulling cable, and this one necessary for the service. While you are walking in the road, you will see this manhole. This is very important. So this is, let's make section 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, section 1, 2, 3, 4. So while you are making the drawing, you have to draw this section. It's very easy, just only in the understanding. Okay, this is how we distribute cables. So from the substation, this is called substation. So let's draw something in the substation, polyline. This one will be transformer room. Actually this is HV room, transformer room, MV room. Let's make little more bigger. Let's stretch this one. Okay, this one HV room, transformer room, LV room. We need another one. Sorry, actually transformer room. Let's name it. This one we call HV room. What is HV room? It's a high voltage. I will teach you everything detailedly. Let's make bigger. HV room. Okay, from HV it will goes to transformer, TX room. That meaning transformer room. Then from here it will be MV room, meaning medium voltage. Then from here it will go LV room, low voltage. LV room. So these are the room available normally in the substation, and I will teach you everything. This one later. Let's connect this one directly here. So this one will be here. So this from HV, this HV will receive cable from the government, because this is total compound. Okay, sometimes this one with the government, sometimes this one can be in the private. If you see a building, big building, they will be private here. So what happened? Government will cable from here to here, something like this. From here to here it will go transformer, from transformer to MV. Why transformer? I will tell you. From MV to LV, from LV to these dBs. So we can put all the SMDB. Actually LV room will contain all the SMDB, sub main distribution board. LV will be, MV will be main board room. It's mostly we call MDB, main distribution board, or MV panel, we call both name. LV room, LV panel or SMDB. Sometime different name they use, but you have to understand by the product. But this is the concept. So HV, high voltage panel, HV panel, it will be HV room. Transformer will be transformer room. MV panel or MDB will be MV room. LV panel or SMDB will be sub-main distribution board in LV room, or LV panel will be here in the LV room. From here it will go through the manhole, through duct. There will be a trench here, that one I will explain later. From here directly it will come to the each house one cable. So if you have 10 cable, you need 10 duct. 20 cable, you have 20 duct. So it will be single cable in single duct. So it's not necessary 160, it can be 100 also. It's depend what size of cable you have. So each will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is how they distribute cables for the incoming power. So from here the meter, service cabinet, here you will read how much power they have consumed. This one also can be private and the government. So what about other services? Let's say we have telephone. So telephone, not this is electrical manhole, that telephone JRC manhole. We have 12, 13, 14. In Qatar there is standard JRC panel, JRC manhole, 12, 13, 14. So here mostly we have to use 12 for this house area. If you go to the telecom, website standard, you will know where to where what kind of manhole has to use. So same way. So let's copy this same manhole. Copy. So you cannot keep there. It should be something like this. Or this way. Let's make this way. Okay. So this one, I select all again. I selected, let's change the color to blue. So this one not changing, let's go to the block editor. I want this one, home, not by layer, by block. So this one also I will change by block. We will understand why I am changing by block. Save changes. See, change blue. So this one will be telephone. So this one not EMH, electrical manhole. This is can be JRC 12. But JRC 12 not all manhole need. This one can be telephone. That's the main one on currently JRC. As per my knowledge, telephone and internet, you can use this one. It should be all, not all one. 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Telephone. Even the electrical man also has to be numbered for the identification. So here I make 1, let's make this one 2. This one 3. And this one 4. And this one 5. So all 600 by 600, here I will use 800 by 800. So the depth still I didn't mention because I don't know the depth. We have to calculate because still I didn't finalize how much cable will become here. Here we can decide how. So this one 600, 160, 160, 320, 920 plus 50, 50. I think 1020. So let's make 1200 depth. This all manhole 1200 depth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this telephone mostly will go higher level. It's 400 something, and also it's as per site condition. So because here crossing, see this one. So how much here? 600. So I will have a duct above this one in 400. This top of 600 meaning, top of 400 meaning you have 100 mm gap, because this one mostly will become 100 mm 110 telephone. So let's make blue, polyline, arc, arc, so here, here, C, should be close, polyline, arc, here, here and here, this. Okay, let's hatch this one, and this one should be blue because I make blue there. So this one 110 mm, so let's make this one here. So this 600, then I told you 400 here, warning tape, so it should be below. So if warning tape 100, then this one is a problem. So let's make this one 800. Let's type, no need to change here, 800. So this one can be go 600. So this is how we make to try to arrange our pipes. So this one will be double click, Control V, 600. You should not draw like this, you should draw in actual dimension. So 600 plus 100, 700. So we have 100 mm gap, actually it's 110. So this 600 meanings we have 200 gap, so warning tape. So they will know. So this is how we make, and we will make one pipe. Every home here we will make one small junction box for the telephone data services. This is not necessary to be here near here, you can make directly anywhere you want. So for now I am making this one, let's copy here, let's little make smaller. So this one has to be rotate up to see, I cannot pass because it is crossing. So this one has to be coordinated. So I will take up to here, then I will drag, so this one has to be blue, and this manhole has to be more up. So let's select all together. Actually the room will become faced, and this manhole has to be arranged after as easier to take our duct. So you will give the location with everything, with the duct, everything, so the people who can work will be dimension, coordination point, or everything. MO enter. Okay, let's little up. Okay, now I need another one, same here, mirror, So I will keep this one somewhere here, and this one has to rotate up to here. Everything wrong. Let's make this is smaller. This one. Okay. So see how I am making the manhole. This manhole cannot be here. Why? Example is this manhole here. You should notice this one. It cannot be here somewhere. Or 90 degree. It's possible 90 degree, still better ignore 90 degree like this. Meaning the cable will come like this and go up. So it is difficult to bend. But here coming like this and go like this. Very easy. So this one should be wrong. Why? No, this one no wrong, because here we are terminating. This is okay, because this is single cable. This is we are terminating here, so it can be go like this. So this is how it will work. Let's make more telephone junction box. Another thing, you have to coordinate this one with other services also. Now I have mentioned only 2 services. See, it's coming here. Now this manhole has to be up. Okay. Okay. Again this one up to here. So let's make more. This one should come little inside. Copy. Let's copy this one. So you can put it here somewhere. It's necessary same place. Instead of like this, better like this. Another one here. So let's move this manhole up. So this one has to be smaller. Press shift, click one by one, so you can move together. Press shift. Okay. So this one I think okay. See, this is how we are working for the electrical. So what else will come? There will be a pipe. So pipe like drainage, water supply should be better below. Why below? If it is above level, there will be a water issue will come. So this one you have to coordinate with the mechanical people, and this is how will work. And there will be a telephone data service room, that meaning we call here QTEL, or in Sri Lanka we have SLT, something like that. So what they will do, they will have their panel here, They will take all the, let's move this one down. Okay, let's make same copy. Mi shift. Okay, up to here, blue, and this one shift, come down up to here. So all the telephone service, this should be JRC12, JRC12. It can be all JRC12, but I hope this one not necessary. Otherwise, you check the project requirement. So let's delete this one. This one we have to learn details. Data. Okay. So this is how it will work electrical. So this one I will explain everything in the next video how it will work. So through like this, it come like this to the service cabinet, then to the DB. From the DB you can use trunking. Important thing, trunking you can use if there is a ceiling. If there is no ceiling, you cannot use trunking. So all should be embedded. So this is all the services mostly we want, and these sockets can be used for the telephone. If you have telephone junction box, it can be 150 mm by 50 mm PVC junction box. Let's mention this one, because this is not no need bigger, or you can use 200 by 200. Else project requirement, designer how they need, maybe they will use multiple purpose. I will tell you what kind of multiple purpose. Tell J box. Okay, let's copy this one, put it here also. It's no need, it has to be go high level because it's enough low level, like 450 mm top of junction box, and this DB 1800 mm top of panel. Keep it in your mind. Even in installation detail I will explain you everything. So let's make one here and another one here. Keep practicing. Practicing will make you perfect. Let's save this one. Okay. So what kind of junction box we need here more? Let's say we have a satellite disk. So you have a TV here, satellite disk. For that one also we need. So this telephone junction box I will use in the when I am explaining your telephone drawings. So we need this one. So satellite TV, if you are using different services like cable channel something, cable something, you can use that junction box. And other services, if you have any other services, you can use junction box. So they will connect the junction box to the junction box. From the junction box you can have the services. So what else will come underground? So there is one duct for the electrical incoming and telephone incoming, and there will be some outgoing from the DB. Let's say you have a light here in the boundary. Okay, so you need one you need to have a conduit out from the dB underground. So this one has to be coordinated. So like this, it should be not cross. So conduit, no problem, you can make up and down, something like that. So what else we are missing here? We have too many things missing, I think. So this is roof. So I have to mirror this one. Because I am using same all. So no need to make complicated. This is roof drawing for the AC. I hope you understand grid everything, because here I don't want to teach that one, because here I am teaching you the electrical system. Okay, so this is how it will work. Let's say we have pump for the water supply. So we need to provide outlet also for the pump. So how it will come? Also same, there will be no manhole, because water supply will not have manhole. So this one I don't want to draw here. It will come something like this. Let's draw one line. This will be piping sizing, and from here let's go here, width, let's make hidden line. I want to make this scale control 1 or PR. This one I will make 100. Let's make 1000 or 100 is enough. So this one is the pipeline. Let's make green. From here it will reach up. Actually it should not draw like this. This one has to be same like this. That one is mechanical, so I don't want to confuse you with the electrical and mechanical, but just I am telling you how to see this one also. So from here it will come up. Let's say here. Then there will be a tank here, water tank. Then this will be provide water for everywhere. So there will be a pump. Let's do something similar to pump. Okay. So this pump need also isolator. So what kind of pump? There is two type of work. Some people have, this is tank, we will make it look like tank. Okay, it will also stay in the plinth. So let's copy this one, Control Shift C, delete, Control Shift V, it will paste like a block. Better you make block manually. So here we need pump. So what kind of pump will be here? This one will be, can be booster pump. Booster pump. So give pressure. Booster pump. it's not important, but here we are using, but Asian country we don't use booster pump, we will use the gravity pressure. So this one also enough 20 ampere, we will use 20 ampere this one. Or 16 ampere also enough, let's put 20. So there will be a booster pump. Okay, what else pump will come? Some house they have two tank. It will fill in the ground, then it will shift into the high level, and they will use the gravitational pressure. If they like that, there will be another pump in the below called lifting pump. So here we have individual room, individual toilet, one water heater. So I don't want to draw and confuse you, just I will explain. Here we have individual water heater, some we have centralized water heater. If something like that, there will be isolator as per the water heater capacity, and there will be a circulation pump which needs separate power. Circulation pump with booster pump. So there will be two pump for the centralized water heater. That is something different. So here I will not draw, I will draw another one, and there I will explain you everything. So this is booster pump, and we can copy this one also. So this one no need, we don't have to show. Okay, let's keep it. So this is pump, water tank, and this is booster pump to give pressure. So here I have to put it here. No, it should be mirror. Am I mirror from here? I remember one. So let's move this one a little bit inside. Mirror again. And mirror again. So let's copy this all together. You know the concept how this will take power, and mostly it won't have DP switch. Some we will have DP switch. Let's draw one line. I think this will work. Select, enter, P, enter, enter. Oh, no previous object found, so we have to select again. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's mirror. Sun coming out. Let's move inside. Okay. So this is how we work. So in the next video I will go for the DB schedule. I hope I have covered everything what we need, and I have explained you everything. So next video we will go to the DB schedule. and calculate how to calculate the cables. From here I want to tell you how to check SMDBs. So I will make this one SMDB, this one SMDB. From there I will go to the MV, from there I will go to transformer, then I will go to the HV. So let's play with the generator power also. Then we will know mostly 60 to 70% how to make electrical power drawing. The services are light and power mainly. When you see power, this one no need, I will delete, but keep in mind all the services like drainage is on. Inshallah by next or other video I will try to cover some mechanical also here while I am making explanation. So this one now I will delete. So this is underground and you saw how this pipe will go. So in the next video I will try to almost 1 hour finish. Next video I will cover the installation details of manhole, sectional details of manhole, and then substation, everything. So it's not use only seeing this video. You have to draw yourself, you have to practice yourself. So don't follow me, same, pick some plan, make some electrical, and if you can come up to this level, then you are okay. If you are not, please check my video again and again. Cover this everything. We gain the knowledge, make the drawing. If you have any comments, if you have any doubts, let's make the comments. I will try to cover you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.